Every journey starts with a single step, so take that first step and get started on your fitness journey with the Trainer 430i from Gold's Gym, the most recognized name in fitness. With Gold's Gym's innovative new design, your treadmill can be quickly and easily assembled in minutes. With the integrated iFit technology, you're never confined to the same place. Whether it is a quiet street in the French countryside or along the shoreline of Maui, your treadmill will automatically mimic the inclines of the terrain to give you an incredible workout in your favorite locale, powered by Google Maps. And to keep you focused on your goals, iFit Coach gives you the tools to track and plan your future workouts, nutrition plans, activity, sleep, and so much more. This durable treadmill is designed to last for thousands of miles with a robust 2.5 horsepower drive system. Supercharge your workout with the push of a button by raising your treadmill's incline anywhere between 0 and 10 degrees. And do the same with quick speed controls up to 10 miles per hour. The large, easy-to-read display provides all of your vital stats like time, distance, speed, incline, and calories burned. The AirStride cushioning system allows you to easily switch between a firm deck to simulate road running or a soft deck to give you a more comfortable run. And with a spacious 16 by 50-inch belt, you'll enjoy smooth and natural motion no matter the length of your stride. Match your run to your favorite tunes by connecting your device to the auxiliary music port and enjoy clear sound through the powerful set of 2-inch speakers. And here at Gold's Gym, results are our primary focus. So get the results you crave with 16 onboard workouts, each designed by certified personal trainers. And instantly check your pulse with the in-handle EKG grips for a reliable and accurate heart rate measurement on the fly. The solidly built frame supports up to 300 pounds, and you'll feel confident in your purchase with a 5-year frame and motor warranty and a 90-day parts and labor warranty. Eliminate clutter with the user-oriented Space Saver design. Simply fold your treadmill and reclaim the space in your home. So don't hesitate. Join one of the most trusted names in fitness and achieve all of your fitness goals with the Trainer 430i Treadmill from Gold's Gym.